Hi friends! Today we are going to sing our alphabet, but a little different. Each letter has a sound that goes with it. Today we're going to practice saying those letters as well as their sounds, and then we'll learn about some words that begin with those letters. Go ahead and take a look at the chart. Do you see anything that you know what the picture is? I see ice cream. I for ice cream. I see fish. F for fish. And I see the sun. S is for sun. Get ready to sing. A is for apple. Apple. B is for bear. Bear. C is for carrot. Carrot. D is for duck. Duck. E is for earth. Earth. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grill. Grill. H is for hot dog. Hot dog. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jam. Jam. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for mouth. Mouth. N is for needle. Needle. O is for owl. Owl. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rocket. Rocket. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tree. Tree. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vine. Vine. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. Yarn. And Z is for zipper. Zipper. Thanks for singing along with me, friends. Can you find the letter that's at the beginning of your name? I found mine. Miss Ciera starts with a C. And that picture is a picture of a carrot. Have fun finding the letter and saying the sound for the first letter of your name. See you next time.